Okay. So yeah, just stay in the car for me real quick. This is a hell of a scene. Jesus Christ.
There's a woman dead. Please help.
Hey,
Please help.
hey, where's the woman? Hey, don't move him. Don't move him. Don't move him. One in here. He looks like he's unconscious. We have one with a tarp over. Looks beyond help. I'm not gonna lie. There's a passenger in this car. In this one? Yeah, I pulled him out of this car. She flew out of this car right here? Yeah, she came out that side. She was in the passenger seat? Yeah, she had to be, yeah.
Where's the driver to this car?
The footage presented on this channel is intended to document real-world law enforcement and public safety interactions for educational and informational purposes. Our goal is to provide context and transparency around these events, helping viewers better understand how incidents unfold in real time. This content is not intended to shame, ridicule, or harass any individuals involved, but rather to encourage informed discussion and public awareness. Today's incident comes from Las Vegas, Nevada, and involves a tragic multi-vehicle collision that resulted in 2 fatalities and multiple serious injuries.
Okay. So yeah, just stay in the car for me real quick. This is a hell of a scene. Jesus Christ.
There's a woman dead. Please help.
Hey,
Please help.
hey, where's the woman? Hey, don't move him. Don't move him. Don't move him. Hey, don't move him. Okay, hey, everyone, I need to get everyone out of the street. Everyone out of the street. Okay, everyone out of the street, please. Hey, Wilman, they're saying she's 419. I need everyone out of the street, please. Everyone out of the street. So, they're 35. It looks like we have one beyond help. Rescue crew put a cake over here.
There's a guy over there too that's trapped. That there was a protest over there too.
Be careful.
Hey,
It's on fire.
is anyone else? Wake up. Hey, this one looks down right here. This one's trapped. Hey, are you awake? Hey, are you awake? Is someone trapped in there? Okay. Is someone's in there? Is there someone in there?
X-ray-1 on the north side of the intersection, white female stuck in a vehicle, white full of blow.
No? Okay. Hey, so I'm gonna try to get him out, okay?
We gotta get him out to that side. You want to wait for the fire to come out.
Hey, so we got one in here. He looks like he's unconscious. We have one with a tarp over. Looks beyond help. I'm not gonna lie. This one's awake, coming in and out, and we have another one trapped in the vehicle over here. Okay, this one looks like we can get him out.
Okay, yeah. There's one girl there that's trapped.
Hey, can you guys get out of the road, please?
And 3X-ray-1, we're gonna need traffic.
Can you go that way?
Then all directions travel.
She's very squished up back there, but
She was talking to us for a minute, her eyes were open. He definitely opened his eyes for
now
to
he's
make sure
coming in and out. He doesn't know what's going on. So
Okay.
The units are might be able to start shutting down the intersection.
Are you able to try to get around? Hey, can you
Yeah,
guys
I
help
can
me
do
with
it.
it?
Him? Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you guys know. This part hurts? How's your neck?
So 35. We need a unit to block traffic going westbound on Jones and Cheyenne. Where do you need him?
I need him just move so I can assess her.
Okay. Hey, we need to get you out, man. Please. We have
His neck stable.
keep your neck. Try not to move your neck,
I'll
okay?
hold this out, right? Can you step? Can you step out? The sun's sit on the ground. We'll do a get over to the side. Down, get him on his bike.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You walk?
We're gonna go right here, okay?
Hey, we're gonna have you sit, lay down, okay? Can you do that?
Lean up against this box.
Do you have any unit blocking eastbound? Do we need eastbound shutdown?
Here you go. Here you go. Just stay there for me, okay?
So we'll need one more each to shut down the streets down on the right way. We're trying to get this car cleared out.
Very non-responsive.
Okay.
So this
I'm gonna start logging plates.
Next round of unit, shut down northbound.
No, not alive. Light pulse on this one.
Happy to say a unit to shut down northbound. 386 to shut down northbound. Acknowledged.
Very quick, copy your plate.
Number.
1695 Nevada. This unit vehicle blank.
Was your car involved?
Traffic side.
Okay, just go on the sidewalk for me, okay? Can you do that for me, please? Just go on the sidewalk. Do you have your keys? Okay, keep your keys.
I'll give
Go
you,
on the sidewalk. Are you injured?
Yeah.
Okay, just go to the sidewalk and we'll get you medical attention, okay? Can you do that for me? Please?
Next one's gonna be
Okay.
George, Ocean Dave, Major George Lincoln, Nevada. All occupants are out.
Okay, exit 35. Next plate, George King, 7 Paul 97. Driver claiming she's injured, but she's able to move the vehicle.
Last time you did. You sure?
Next is gonna be 609, 600 Nevada. Female trapped inside. They're trying to get her out as well. Uh, 183, Frank 87 Nevada. All occupants are out of the vehicle.
Next one.
Okay, how many vehicles do we have involved in this accident?
So exit 35. Next plate, Mary 0398. There's no one in the vehicle, but it's definitely damaged. Is your vehicle? Are you injured?
We
Okay.
have at least 9 or 10
Okay.
vehicles in the crash.
Let's start setting up tape.
Yeah.
We need to get these people back.
Yeah, we'll set this entire sidewalk right here.
Yeah, like 10-7 was a passenger in this car.
In this one,
Yeah, I pulled him out of this car.
she flew out of this car right here.
Yeah, she came out that
She
side.
was in the passenger seat.
Yeah, she had to be, yeah. And
Where's the driver to this car?
The units are
That's
blocked
that
off
one?
traffic, so we're setting up tape as well.
Sorry. Copy.
Hey, are you okay? Okay, it's gonna be kind of a shit show. If you need anything, call me. I just need you to wait here for right now, okay? I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Control Tom 333. Can we send a 600 unit to check impairment?
Hang on, sorry.
Hey, I'm gonna be putting up tape. Do you mind just getting everyone back a little bit? Thank you.
Control 580.
One individual remained in life-threatening condition. Another remained in serious condition. The driver of the Infiniti G37 was also transported to UMC Trauma for treatment. While receiving medical care, authorities booked the driver in absentia on 4 counts of reckless driving, resulting in death or substantial bodily harm.
Show me a channel. I'll be en route to that 401.
Okay, sir.
Control 606. We're going to have to shut down the entire intersection per FD. Can you fail investigation, please? We have a bunch of vehicles. We should push them through as best we can. We'll shut down the entire intersection.
Hey guys, I need you guys to back up, please. Everyone back.
Now, 387, I copy that. If we can get FD's info, I appreciate it. And now, 387, can we reach out to ADOT? It's on Cheyenne. They may be able to help.
Excellent. Tom 57, what's up?
Are you able to get up here? Thank you.
Tom 387, sorry.
You guys out here?
I'm just listening to see it tell the doorknob or something.
I'm copying updates. Copying Tom 600 around for DUI. We're working on knockdowns. We're going to try to get on deal around. Control 333. Are there other passengers and drivers getting transported to DMC? Control Tom 333 on. We're right next to DMC. I'm going to head that way.
According to investigators, the crash occurred on November 18th, 2025, at approximately 3:29 p.m. on West Cheyenne Avenue, just west of North Jones Boulevard. Authorities say the collision involved a total of 12 vehicles. Detectives with the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department Traffic Bureau say the crash began when a silver Infiniti G37 traveling eastbound on West Cheyenne Avenue approached multiple vehicles stopped at a red traffic signal. Evidence at the scene, witness statements, and surveillance video indicate the Infiniti was traveling at a high rate of speed and failed to slow down before reaching the stopped vehicles. The Infiniti then collided into the line of vehicles waiting at the traffic light, triggering a chain reaction crash involving multiple cars.
We put both drivers, non-injured drivers, on both sides of the sidewalk over here. So
Okay.
except for this SUV has 3 people sitting in it. They're not hurt.
Tom 57.
They're in the middle of all this? Okay. Do you know where they're being transported to? The ones that are injured?
The ones that they're taking right now are going to go to trauma.
Go to trauma? Do you know how many?
What's that?
Do you know how many are going to MC trauma right now? Okay.
I can point you in the direction of the guy who will know in just a second.
Okay, thank you. CCK, I'm trying to get information on where they're going in names. We don't have any information on the people. Maybe we can get who is driving to. I know the male, the 492 though, okay, so there's this going from there.
Male is over by rescue over there. His name was, we said Jose, right? Yeah. Driver, this one name is gonna be Jose, so we just gotta find out where he's going.
That's inside the scene. Get it out of the state. Get it into South Bronco, south.
That apparent, I would safely say is probably the cause.
This is in the back, huh? Huh? There's the one that comes from the
Willow and Cheyenne.
Okay.
Did you lock this one?
Yeah, I did. Okay. The one that I don't have a plate for is this main one.
419 was it?
Yeah.
That's your wrong.
Maybe the door has a VIN.
Let's do a major staging area at Northwest Penn Hospital, North Cheyenne.
Glove box, paperwork.
I'll try the paperwork in there. You have an ID?
Control House 3113.
Medical personnel quickly arrived at the scene and began triaging several injured individuals. Authorities say the passenger inside the Infiniti and the driver of another involved vehicle were both pronounced deceased at the scene. Several additional victims were transported to University Medical Center Trauma for advanced medical treatment.
I split my crew so that way they can have an AMR transport. Because initially they were set to triage. How many patients do we got? How many people do we need? Things like that. So they can't transport. They're not doing the minor stuff. They're doing the overall stuff. Okay. You know, but because once things, when the chief takes over and starts saying who's doing what, then that way he's able to either transport, but because he wasn't set up and an AMR took the patient, 42 was basically initially in command after rescue 40 or after rescue 9, and then I believe 42 might be transporting, 44 is still there for transport, and then you have EMS 1 as medical group.
EMS 1 is medical. Okay.
Anything else?
Who's EMS 1 with?
EMS 1 is by himself. He's to the right over here. This is the chief over here.
And then 42 is in charge, right? Or battalion 4?
Battalion 4 is in charge. Basically, it gets set up. Who gets on team first, gets an overall picture of what's going on, gets units involved. Then the engine, because the company officer, an engine company, a company officer, takes over command. But because there's so many units, the battalion chief after that takes command after that. So it kind of gets staggered off.
Gotcha. Pretty much the next ranking pulls up and they take over.
It's only because these are more tactical rather than strategy, right? You know?
Gotcha. Yeah, it's gonna be a huge investigation. So
No, it's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a long one.
Okay, I appreciate you guys. Code for it.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching In Traffic Live View. We appreciate you stopping by. Make sure to like, comment, then share the video and channel if you've made it this far. See you next time.